In this video, we will discuss about the overview of big data. What is big data? There are several definitions of big data as it is frequently used as an all-encompassing term for everything from genuine data sets to big data technology and big data analytics. Basically, big data is a term which is used to describe massive volumes of both structured and unstructured data. It is so large that it is difficult to process and can't be handled by utilizing traditional data processing applications. Although big data doesn't refer to any size, the term itself we often use when speaking about petabytes and exabytes of data. Now let's see the IBM's definition. Big data is arriving from multiple sources at an alarming velocity, volume, variety, and veracity. These are known as 4 V's of big data. First V, velocity. The velocity is the speed at which the data is created, stored and analyzed and visualized. Whereas second V, volume. 90% of all data ever created was created in the past 2 years. From now on, the amount of data in the world will double every 2 years. Then third V, variety. Data today comes in many different formats: structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data, and even complex structured data. Also, it is being generated by everything around us at all times. Every digital process and social media exchange produces big data. Not only that, even systems, sensors, and mobile devices do generate huge amounts of data. Finally, fourth V, that is veracity. Veracity is perhaps the one hidden secret of all the data we now rely on. How accurate is all this data anyways? Data quality isn't a small concern either. Research has shown that the cost of poor quality data and the errors it can cause was upwards of $3 trillion in the US economy last year. Now let's see the types of big data. Starting with first, structured data. Data that resides in a fixed field within a record or file is called structured data. This includes data contained in relational databases and spreadsheets. Second is semi-structured data. Semi-structured data is a form or structured data that does not conform to the formal structure of data models associated with relational databases or other forms of data tables, as it contains tags or other markers to separate semantic elements and enforce hierarchies of records and fields within the data. Third is the unstructured data. People in the business world are generally very familiar with the types of structured data mentioned above. However, unstructured is a little less familiar, not because there's less of it, but before technologies like NoSQL and Hadoop came along, harnessing unstructured data wasn't possible. In fact, most data being created today is unstructured.